with a staggering revenue growth of over 370% in the past 5 years. SoundHound is a company you definitely want to keep your eyes on. But what's behind this huge growth, and what does the future hold? Let's take a look at this interesting company. Founded in 2005, California-based SoundHound has emerged as a key player in the conversational AI space, providing voice-driven solutions across multiple industries. The company's branded technology powers fast and accurate, multilingual interactions with AI-driven tools like smart answering, smart ordering, and dynamic drive-through, which supports customer engagement. Processing billions of interactions annually, SoundHound is at the forefront of voice-enabled technology. When it comes to conversational AI, Amazon's Alexa and Apple's Siri currently dominate the consumer landscape. But beyond big tech's grip on smart assistants, SoundHound has carved out its own path. Instead of battling for market share of the household AI market, SoundHound has been redefining voice technology for businesses, embedding its AI-driven solutions into industries like automotive, healthcare, and financial services. For example, imagine being able to chat with your car about maintenance needs, or ordering your favorite meal at a drive-thru without talking to a human. That's exactly what SoundHound is doing with companies like Honda and White Castle. They're making interactions smoother and more efficient, and that's a huge benefit for customers and businesses alike. The company's market cap presently stands at around $4 billion. SoundHound soared 113% over the past 6 months, vastly outperforming the S&P 500 index during the same stretch. But momentum hasn't carried into 2025. This year has been bearish for the stock, which has dropped around 70%. Despite the prevailing negative sentiment surrounding SoundHound, the stock made a huge rally following its fourth quarter earnings report on February 27th, increasing almost 18% in the next trading session. While the company posted a higher than expected loss of 69 cents per share, it didn't impact investor sentiment significantly, who seemed to ignore this metric, focusing more on its impressive top-line growth. Specifically, for the final quarter of fiscal 2024, SoundHound delivered an incredible 101% year-over-year revenue increase, reaching $34.5 million, which slightly exceeded Wall Street's expectations of 2.5%. Commenting on the firm's financial performance, CEO Keyvan Mohajer said, "We had a breakthrough year, expanding our leadership position in voice and conversational AI through major customer wins, expanded partnerships, groundbreaking generative AI innovation, and strategic acquisitions." Armed with a robust portfolio of voice-enabled AI solutions, the CEO believes that the company is well positioned to deliver even greater commercial impact as demand for conversational AI accelerates. Although profitability remains out of reach for now, the company ended 2024 with a strong liquidity position, holding around $200 million in cash and cash equivalents, and notably, no outstanding debt. Looking forward to 2025, management has lifted the company's revenue forecast, projecting it to range between $157 million and $177 million, signaling confidence in its growth trajectory. Analysts tracking SoundHound project the company's loss to narrow 73% year over year in fiscal 2025 and improve another 21% in fiscal 2026. And here's the kicker, the AI voice market is projected to reach nearly $50 billion by 2034, with annual growth rate of around 35%. With SoundHound currently at $102 million in sales, it's clear there's a massive opportunity ahead. Now, before you go and buy this high potential growth stock, there are some important risks to consider. SoundHound is a small player in a field dominated by big tech giants, which have very deep pockets. So competing against these well-established companies won't be easy for SoundHound, especially when you look at their R&D budget of just $80 million over the past year. And let's not forget that SoundHound stock has taken a big hit this year, falling around 70% from January to April. However, the stock does appear to be making a recovery in the last 4 weeks. surging from $6.50 in the first week of April up to the recent peak of $12, created in the second week of May. This is a huge 90% gain, which indicates investors are taking an interest in this emerging tech player. Looking ahead, SoundHound has some exciting projections. Their guidance for 2025 suggests they could hit $167 million in revenue, a jump of 97% from 2024. If they maintain this growth, we could see annual revenue soaring to $375 million by 2027. Even if their stock trades at half this current valuation after 3 years, we're looking at a potential market cap of $7.5 billion, and that's a huge upside from where it is right now. And with the demand for conversational AI solutions ever increasing, SoundHound may just continue to grow. So overall, SoundHound is looking very attractive as a potential growth stock. With its innovative voice AI solutions and a growing market, it's poised for rapid expansion. But investors need to be cautious. The competition is fierce, and while the potential is there, it may be a longer-term hold to maximize potential returns. If you're willing to accept a certain level of volatility, SoundHound could be a stock worth considering. Remember, investing is primarily based on fundamental and technical data, depending on your style. However, it's also important to understand and consider the story behind the company and its market potential. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button to support the channel. And for my technical analysis on SoundHound, including trading opportunities, watch this video next. Thanks for watching.